Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of creating hundreds of YouTube shorts without even showing your face? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it using the power of AI and Canva. So why 700 shorts? And why faceless? Faceless channels are skyrocketing in popularity. They allow creators to churn out content at an incredible scale without ever needing to be on camera. And with the power of AI, we can streamline and automate a massive portion of the production process. Step 1 is all about planning. I used a simple content calendar to outline the themes and topics for my shorts. Consistency is key to keep your audience engaged. Make sure your topics have long-term value to maximize views over time. Now, the fun part. I use several AI tools to generate the content. Let me walk you through them. First, I used an AI text generator to create engaging scripts. Just input your keywords and let the AI do its magic. Next, I used an AI voiceover tool to narrate the scripts. No need to use your own voice if you're not comfortable. Then, I used Canva to design and compile the visuals. Canva is an amazing tool for creating stunning graphics and videos. They even have templates specifically for YouTube shorts. With the videos ready, it's time to upload. Here's a quick tip: use a consistent title format and relevant hashtags to improve discoverability. Don't forget to add engaging thumbnails and compelling descriptions. These little details can make a big difference. So, what were the results? After uploading 700 shorts, the channel saw a significant boost in views and subscribers. AI automation saved me hours of work, and the results speak for themselves. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the special reveal. I've put together a comprehensive guide on how you can replicate this process step by step, and it's available for free. Just check the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI and content creation tips, and hit that bell icon to get notified of my next video. See you next time.